The modularized EHang E-port supports a complete automatic circulation system. Just like a transportation hub for more traditional transportation methods, like trains and airplanes. Neither runway nor ground space are required for aerial vehicles to take off and land. With this system, traffic circulation is greatly improved. This is an innovative new approach to managing traffic and minimizing congestion within urban areas. Inside the E-port, the conveyor as well as the parking bots keep the system running smoothly. AAVs can be transported to different areas automatically for berthing, charging, and maintenance, and can be called to vertiports for the next flight. EHang's Command and Control Center enables point-to-point flights or urban routes. Managed by trained pilots, it is a highly intelligent backstage control center that coordinates vehicle dispatch, route planning, and safety for EHang AAVs to ensure that every flight is completed smoothly and safely. For us, innovation means helping people get from point A to point B faster, more comfortably, and more sustainably. In the near future, this system will work for every one of us. EHang AAVs will become an essential part of our daily life, flying us into the future of urban air mobility.